So, what kind of business deductions are available specifically for 1099 physicians?
Yeah, it's pretty much the same as for any other working professional. And you can really just do a quick Google search and you'll see pretty much everything that's out there. But the main ones you would consider for a lot of Vital Solution physicians and for a lot of my ER physicians and locums physicians, they don't have an office they rent, they work at a hospital. And if you don't have an office that you rent or lease that is considered your place of business, you probably ought to have a home office. You can probably justify that. So a home office allows you to deduct a portion of the square footage of the home office in relation to the house and a portion of your utilities. So that's a nice deduction. A vehicle deduction. So again, if you have a place of business you work at, you can't deduct commuting between your house and say your office. But if you're a locums physician or you're a physician that's working at a hospital where you don't have an office, these are job sites. Then you're traveling to a job site. So you can typically justify a vehicle deduction. There's different ways to do that. The actual expense method versus the mileage method, and you can kind of Google that and read about it. It's not too complicated. But home office and vehicle are big. Meals, CME, travel, travel costs. If you're going to fly somewhere, find something work related to do, and then a portion of the travel becomes a tax deduction. It's not difficult for a higher income earner to write off a physician to write off 30, $40,000 of business expenses and related to running their business, and that's because that's we think about practicing medicine, but when you're a 1099, you're essentially self-employed. You're your own business person. You have a business you're running.